napakagulo po dito sa studio. Sa MOA. Di ba? Ang init ng labanan. Welcome back, Protege Nation. So far, Jen, ang titindi ng mga kanta, no?
Iba ang hirap pumili.
Hindi ba?
Lalo na pag kumanta pa to.
Iba eh. Alright, this is Protege, the final battle. At ang ating next tandem, ilang linggo na rin silang nagkakaroon ng konting tensyon dahil hindi raw sila regular nakikita.
Pero tuwing live gala, hindi nila binibigo ang mga fans sa kanilang top caliber performances. At ngayong gabi masasaksihan natin ang muli nilang pagsasama sa stage sa kanilang laban para makamit ang big break.
Round 1 continues with Mentor Jano and his protege, the pop sweetheart, Lyra.
From the start, vocal naman ako na di ako naghahanap ng biritera, di ako naghahanap ng masyadong R&B. Nahanap ko talaga yung straight pop lang, medyo alternative, rockish. Sana na-meet niya lahat ng expectations niya, ng criteria ko.
Medyo kinakabahan ako nung first na kumanta ako sa harap niya. Kasi nga po, noon po kasi nakikita ko lang siya sa TV.
Showbiz.
Parang yun, kinakabahan po.
Yung time na mga a few days before that, mo nalaman ba? Yung about your brother. Mga ganun, no? Parang ganun eh. So, that time, tinanong ko nga muna siya. Tinanong ko siya kung, sabi ko, because of what happened, sabi ko, pwede ka bang ituloy? Kasi kung feeling niya, hindi niya kayang ituloy dahil sa nangyari, re-respeto ko yun. Finally, nakapag-perform siya, nasakto niya, nasa pool niya yung pag-perform.
Proud po ako na si Tatay Jano po yung naging mentor ko kasi naging mas comfortable po ako doon pag tinatawag ko siyang tatay. Kasi po sobrang caring po niya.
Mapasok sa top 3, that's sobrang masaya na ako doon. Para sa akin, enjoy na lang.
Protege journey namin. Masaya po na may konting challenge, na may konting excitement.
Mentor Jano and protege Lyra.
Let's go now.
I'm sitting on a bridge, I'm waiting in the dark. I thought that you'd be here by now. There's nothing but the rain, no footsteps on the ground. I'm listening but there's no sound. Isn't anyone try to find me? Won't somebody come take me home? It's a damn cold night, trying to figure out this life. Won't you take me by the hand, take me somewhere new? I don't know who you are, but I'm with you. I'm with you.
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I've ever been, and I don't wanna go home right now. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Oh, why is everything so confusing? Maybe I'm just out of my mind. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's a damn cold night, trying to figure out this
our round one, Mr. Louie O.
Congratulations, Lira.
Thank you po.
And Jano, it's nice to see where you brought her from the beginning and then now the way she's singing now. It's how she's grown. Well, swerte si Lira na andyan ka as a mentor, no?
Salamat po.
So, it seemed that tonight you weren't performing for a contest, but you were enjoying yourselves. And that was very important to me. So, you were having fun.
Salamat po.
Wala kayong pake kung ano, or just, wala, enjoy lang kayo. And I really enjoyed that.
Sir Louie,
Yeah.
dagdag ko lang, ako po ang mas maswerte dahil si Lira ang napunta sa...
Agree ako dyan. Agree.
Miss Cherie.
I haven't been here since like a month ago. And boy, Lira, you really grew. You bloomed. Sa BTR pa lang, ang laki ng pinagbago mo. Talagang inalagaan ka ng tatay mo.
Miss Cherie,
Tatay ka talaga dyan. no?
salamat po. Miss Cherie, ang tagal mo nawala. Naging close na tuloy kami ni Miss Yula.
Ano daw? Ganon. Kami naman yung hula close eh. Oh, di pwede tayong lahat maging close.
Thank you, Miss Cherie.
But you know what, Jano, ang galing mo mag...
Jano,
oh.
okay lang. Sanay naman si Jano sa dala-dalawa eh.
Ganyan, kaya siguro naman, daming tumatawag na tatay. Anyway, going back. I've always said this, swak na swak yung mga pinipili mong kanta for Lira. She's very current, she's pretty, she has a very strong young base, fan base sa mga kabataan. So there. Yeah, I enjoyed watching you,
Salamat
both
po.
of you.
Ayun,
Father
thank you.
and daughter.
Thank you, judges. Lira, ito na. Pwede pa silang bumoto para sa'yo. Go ahead.
Sa mga taga-Protege Nations po, especially po sa taga-Visayas po, please po, please i-vote niyo po ako. Just text po Protege space Lira and send to 367 for Smart and Talk and Text or 2344 for Globe, TM, and Sun. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, okay. So round one is over. Muli gusto natin tawagin on stage sina Mentor Aiza with Protege Kriza, Mentor Jaya with Protege Lovely. Now, gusto ko malaman sana from one of our judges dito po sa round one. Para sa inyo or para sa iyo specifically, Miss Cherie, sino at kanino mo maibibigay ang round na to? Kailangan nyo pumili ng isa sa tatlo. Ito, totoo.
Sige ha.
Hindi pwede pass.
Guest lang naman ako dito, hindi ba? Magpapakatotoo tayo dito. Alam nyo, mga kaibigan, mga kapuso, huwag kayong magagalit sa akin. May season 2 pa tayo. Sana, look, mahirap. Mahirap sabihin. Kada isa may kanya-kanyang personalidad, may kanya-kanyang gilas. They all have their own gifts. Dalawang bagay lang yan. Gaya ng sinabi ni Yula, lahat kayo panalo. But at the same time, gaya ng sinabi ni Direk Bert, kung sino talaga ang naka-affect sa amin. Kung sino, who touched our hearts the most. Dalawang bagay na lang iisipin natin. The prize is a whole big one. 4 million pesos and 5 years na kontrata.
And she is?
Marami pa akong gusto sabihin. Sandali. So, we have to understand also the interest factor, the growth factor. But tonight, for me, I think the one who touched my heart was Kriza.
Ayan. Narinig niyo na. Para sa round 1, si Kriza ang pinili ni Miss Cherie. Pinapaalala na po namin, Miss Cherie's choice does not reflect the choices of her other fellow judges. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Gusto na natin talaga malaman ang kanyang opinion. And coming right up, the much-awaited reunion of the mentors dito lang sa Protege, the final battle.
All three proteges will be receiving a 4-year course full scholarship from STI, Education for Real Life. Dalawang special awards din ang pwedeng matanggap ng Final 3. GMA NMI Texter's Choice Award with 50,000 pesos in cash. And Skyflake's Biggest Break Award with 100,000 pesos in cash. The grand winner of Protege, the battle for the big break, will take home 1 million pesos in cash. And the 2-bedroom unit at SunTrust Adriatico Gardens worth 3 million pesos from SunTrust Properties Incorporated. A prize package worth 4 million pesos. Plus a 5-year contract with GMA Artist Center. Protege, the final battle.